Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR 18. It says, what would the division of 4,500,000 by 0.012 look like in scientific notation? Okay, so first of all, it's a division problem, which is why all the answers have these fraction bars. And what I have to do is I have to take 4,500,000 and write that in scientific notation because I'm dividing that number by 0.012. So whatever you take your original, whatever you're dividing by is what goes on the bottom. So I'm just going to write each of these numbers in scientific notation. This number is greater than 1, so I know my exponent on 10 will be a positive. Let's see, I have to make this number so the first two, or so that the first factor is between 1 and 10, 1 or larger, less than 10. So I just move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've relocated my decimal point to right between the 4 and the 5. 4.5 is definitely greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10, and I move that decimal point 6 places. It's a positive 6 because the original number was bigger than 1. So let's look at this number. I already know my exponent is going to be negative because my original number here is less than 1. So a negative what? Well, I have to relocate my decimal point. I just move that over 2 places. So the exponent there must be a negative 2 so that I could get that first factor to be greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. 1.2 is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So really, rewrite each number in scientific notation. Numbers greater than 1 will have a positive exponent. Numbers less than 1 will have a negative exponent. All right, it's letter A. Letter B didn't have a shot. These first factors aren't between 1 and 10. C didn't have a shot. That's not between 1 and 10. D didn't have a shot. That number's not between 1 and 10. All righty.